going to show you how to create the darts. I'm going to start with the back bottom panel, and with right sides together you're going to match the adjacent straight edges of one of the darts. So you'll line up those raw edges and clip in place. And you're going to take this over to your sewing machine and sew from the raw edge all the way to the fold with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And if it's easier for you, you can take your ruler and measure in 1/4 inch and then mark so you know how far you need to sew, and make sure that you keep that 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way to the fold. So after you have that one sewn, then you'll repeat for the opposite side to create the remaining dart on the back bottom panel. Then you'll repeat to create the darts on the front bottom panel and both of the lining panels. One tip for when you sew the front bottom panel is to move the zipper pocket out of the way, just to make sure that the pocket doesn't get caught in the seam.